Someone here is giving me the vibe that he or she is recognizing you as someone who is very loving, like, has that high potential when it comes to husband or wife material here, yeah. Or this could be someone here who could be recognizing you as that, okay? So, let's keep moving. For some reason, I'm picking up that this person here is very sensitive or very emotional right now. Let's keep moving. Thank you, angels and spirit guides, Archangel Michael, for being present here in this reading. Can we get more messages about this? Yeah, there's something here. Okay, there's something here that this person is realizing, and I think it has something to do with passion and love for you. But for some reason, I'm picking up that this person here cannot come close to you. Let's find out. Let's see what's happening here and why does this person here cannot come close or closer with you. Okay, let's see more infos. Oh, suddenly, I'm picking up someone here got confused about something here that he or she had given in the past. Maybe some kind of a decision. I think there is something here that this person had decided long time ago, like in the past. And this person here could be thinking that that could be the best decision that he or she made for himself or herself. But now, for some reason, with the Seven of Cups energy, this person feels confused. So let's keep moving, but I'm sensing that this person here is really sad right now. There's that sense of nostalgia into this person's energy. Actually, this person's regretting that decision here, and now this person is considering that this decision as a big mistake. So yeah, let's keep moving. Whoa. I think this person here with the Ten of Swords energy, oh no, this person here, I think, could be realizing right now that he or she is the one who betrayed himself or herself because of that decision he or she had made in the past. For that decision to be considered as a big mistake, this person here is in this type of energy like, how could I have done that to myself? This person here regrets that decision that he or she made in the past, and maybe it has something to do here with you. Yeah, see? Nine of Cups energy in reverse position is an indication that this person here could possibly sees that connection in the past as somewhat wish fulfillment, but it turned out to be that is not a wish fulfillment right here. That is something that he or she is regretting right now big time. So, oh no. Yeah, with the hangman right here, this person keeps on thinking about the decision he or she had made in the past. Maybe this person here did reconcile with his or her ex right here or his or her past lover. Maybe this is your person right here and then he or she decided to get back with his or her ex person. So I think this person here is now regretting that. Yeah. So whoever this past lover of yours, this person is now regretting that he or she had made a foolish decision in the past, might be going back to an ex right here, or his or her ex person here, and definitely he or she is, okay, strongly regretting that, wishing that he could have made another decision here, okay? Might be to stay with you in the past, but it's too late, no. This person already made a decision here, and now he or she wants to come out from that kind of sorrow. Yeah, that's what I'm picking up. See, Three of Swords energy. I think this person here did go back to his or her ex-lover, and then it turned out not very good. Okay, it turned out in a bad situation right here, and for some reason others of them, they could have been involved with their ex person here into a third party situation, and maybe they were left by that ex person. Okay, and whoever these energies are, this is your past lover right here who wants to turn back the time, because he or she is thinking that his or her life could be different right now if he or she could have chosen a different decision in the past. So yeah, this person here is regretting this. Yeah, someone here wants to escape, get away from this type of sorrow he or she is feeling right now. So this person here could be, asking for your help here. Maybe this person here could not be literally reaching out to you or communicating that to you, but this person here could be praying that he or she is calling up to you, waiting for you to reach out, to respond. So this person here could eventually wanting to be saved by you. Yeah. And we have here, yeah, this person here, I'm seeing a lot of number fives, 555. So this person strongly wants changes here because this person here sees missed opportunity here with you. Yeah. Now this person sees this opportunity as a missed opportunity here with you. With the presence of moon right here, I do pick up that this could possibly happen here a long, long time ago. For some reason, maybe specifically to someone, this could had happened 13 years ago, or maybe this could had happened here more than 5 years ago. So whatever the case may be, I do pick up that this is something here that this person could be learning just now. This person could be realizing that he or she had made that foolish decision that ruined his or her life right now. Okay, this person could be asking himself or herself, I wonder what my life would be right now if I chose to stay by your side. So that is that question that this person here could be asking himself or herself. Yeah, this person here is spending his or her time thinking about this foolish decision right here, and what is his life right now, and what would be his or her life if he or she had chosen to stay with you in the past. So I do see that maybe there's a third party interference here in the past, but just take only what resonates here with you. But there's a sense here of this person wanting to go back in time, wanting to fix the situation here, and if he or she could only wish for that specific dream that he or she wants to come to reality. I think this person wants to go back to you and to share that same feeling and same love and passion for each other. Okay, so whoever this individual is, I think this is his or her karma right here for leaving such a beautiful connection here with you and taking a different route, which led him or her to that betrayal. Yeah, this person here is now believing that he or she is the one to blame. Yeah, he or she is blaming himself or herself because he or she is realizing that he or she is the one who betrayed himself or herself because of that foolish decision. So whoever this individual is, I think this person here wants to really reconcile with you, but for now this person is really confused, like he or she do not know what to do, what could be the possible steps that he or she could be wanting to take right here in order for him or her to, to get back his or her life, yeah, to bring back his or her old energy and happiness right here. It's like this person here is now feeling lost without you. This person here now wants to reconcile with you, but he or she do not know how to do that because this person is thinking that even though he or she will explain his or her side or resent or admit all of his or her faults and mistakes, he or she knows that that would not be enough for you to be able to go back into this type of connection here with him or her. So this person here could be, um, his or her thoughts are really scattered right now. Okay? His or her mind are really clouded over here and he or she actually do not know what to do. I think this person here is having a lot of stress, okay, about thinking how to surpass this challenge when it comes to his or her romantic love life because this specific situation involving you guys also affects his or her other personal issues, okay? So this person here, his or her living is also being affected because of the situation here, and actually he or she do not know what to do anymore because even though he or she is, asking for help maybe to other people here that he or she is close with, like no one can really help him, okay? Like you are the only one who can save him or her from this mess. But he or she knows that you are someone here that I think this person actually knows that you cannot be able to see him or her like how you look at him or her in the past. Maybe you look at this person here with so much love in your eyes in the past, but now this person knows that you are not the same person anymore because of what he or she had done with you. This person here left you because of someone else. Or maybe this person here could have taken a different route instead of taking a route towards you. Now this person here is regretting this past decision here he or she made. Yeah, it could have been a long time already, but I think this is like a ghost that now haunts this person here. So yeah. If this person here suddenly pops out into your life, I am not worried because I know that you know what to do and what to say to this person. Actually, this person here is so afraid to face you. This person here feels so nervous, feels so afraid to talk to you in person. Like this person here feels like that he or she really had messed this beautiful life that he or she is now dreaming to have and to hold. So yeah, these are all the messages I've got right here from this person. This person's so sad that he or she cannot be able to do his or her daily routine really well. And I think this person's mind is scattered and very clouded because of you. Yeah. But you do not need to do something about this. So it's up to you whether to do something about it or talk to this person here if this person suddenly appear from somewhere, maybe in your workplace or in your home. So whoever this individual is, it's your choice. Okay, whether to communicate or to reach out or not. Okay, so thank you so much for your time spent here, sweetheart, and love and light.